Okay, this is the solution to one of the quiz problems, and I just wanted to go over that because a lot of you got that wrong. And this is actually a very easy problem, but they seem to make it very confusing by saying that the second derivative is less than 0, because that totally threw me off. But basically, this is the table for f of x, and they're asking you for f prime of 1.2. So 1.2 is located right in here. That's when x is 1.2. So if they're asking for f prime, that just means the derivative. So we talked about this, that what you'd have to do is figure out the slope using those 2 points, and then you'd have to find the slope using those 2 points, and then the real slope is somewhere in between. So let's do the first one. So these are your 2 points. And if you do y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1, if you work out all that math, you end up getting 2. Then you have to do the whole thing all over again using the points that are in the purple. So I'm just gonna write the 2 over here, so we remember that one slope was 2. Okay, I'm gonna erase all this. Okay, so now I'm gonna use the 2 points that are in the purple. And I'm going to do y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. And when you work all that out, you get 1.8. So you have a 2 and you have a 1.8. So therefore the real slope must be somewhere in between, and that was choice D. Okay, this was the problem that asked about the mean value theorem. So for the mean value theorem, it's very procedural. You need to just find A, B, f of A, and f of B. So A and B come from your interval, so A is 1, B is 3. So f of A means to find f of 1, so you're just going to substitute into the formula given above, and you'll get negative 2 minus 1 plus 2, which gives you negative 3 plus 2, which equals negative 1. F of B is going to be f of 3, so you're going to get negative 2 times 9 minus 3 plus 2. So that's going to be negative 18 minus 3 is negative 21 plus 2 is negative 19. And then you're going to use the slope formula. Well, you're going to do f of b. The formula is f of b minus, let me just fix that so you don't think that's a negative, f of b minus f of a over b minus a, which is actually just the slope formula. It's really y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. So f of b is negative 19 minus a negative 1, so plus 1, over b minus a. So this gives you negative 18 over 2, which equals negative 9. Okay, but that's not the answer, and actually that was not even a choice. You have to set negative 9 equal to the derivative of f of x. So I'm going to make some room up here. Okay, so I'm going to have negative 9, and I'm going to set that equal to the derivative. Okay, so add 1 to both sides, divide by negative 4, and x equals 2, and 2 is in the interval between 1 and 3, so therefore the answer was choice D. And that's it.